Hello again, Krabby Day fishermen. We are back out here on the water after about a week or so being away. We're trying it again. There's been some bad weather lately. High tides. There's been a king tide coming through, so it just wasn't safe to be out here. And the crab snares were moving too much. So in this episode, just a quick flash. We've got very special guests with me today. My wife and my son made it out. Say hi, Jake.
Hi.
Say hi, babe. She doesn't want to be in the video. But Jake loves to be on the video, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, who's this dude right here?
We named him Electricity.
You named him Electricity?
Yeah, I named him Electricity.
Okay. It's a Pokemon?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Grab the crab gauge and let's go check the crab snares. All right. Where's our fishing rods at? It's over here. Stay out of the way. Jake, stop doing that. What are we doing?
We're going to check the snares.
We're gonna do what?
We're going to check the snares.
Look at those waves, huh? All right. Here, hold the camera. Stand over there. And then point it at me. You're my recorder now. Nope, nothing on that one. We're gonna check the other one after this.
Okay.
Wait, there might be. Put some weight on this. No, I don't think so. I think I might have caught my other line. Oh, there's a little rock crab on it. Here, record this. Look at this guy.
That's so small.
Small rock crab. Oh, there he goes. Go back to the water.
It's gonna pinch you, I think.
If I let him. Just let him get back to the water. You can record him. Get close to him.
Look at that little rock crab. Okay.
Is he burying himself?
Yep, it looks like it. Should I help him?
What?
Should I help him? Huh?
You can do it.
Okay. Those are huge waves.
So, you know, they bury themselves so they can hide from predators.
Yeah. Oh, I forgot my glasses.
Alright, let's go back and get them. Let me cast this back out, and then we'll check the other rod, and then we'll go back.
Okay.
So what I'm doing right now is I'm putting a new snare on here. I always keep one baited.
Yeah.
I always keep a second one, like look down here. I always keep a second one hanging off this hook. Back up so they can see it. Hanging off this hook right here.
Nice.
Got a hook on the rod holder.
Mm.
So I can just switch it out quickly
Oh.
instead of having to run back there.
Mm.
All right. Ready to cast this one out, Jim?
Yep. Ready, set. Ready, set, throw.
good one, huh?
Yeah.
Let's try the next one.
Okay.
Tighten up the slack on that. Let's go check the next rod.
Man, the sand is funky.
All right, buddy. Got a crab on this one, huh?
Okay.
I don't feel anything heavy on here. All right, look at Jake with his very first crab. So that right there, buddy, is a rock crab.
Is it a keeper?
It looks like a keeper. Do you have the crab gauge? We got to measure. It's got to be 4 inches. Look at Jake getting his first one. This on an OG Slayer right here too. Look at this. Hold on. Let's get that logo on there. I don't know if you can see that. There it is. That's that OG Slayer by Ken. That's a 6 ounce right there with an extra 3 ounces on the bottom. So we're throwing 9. Every now and then, come out here to the beach and you see a yoga class. There's about 50 people in this class. They all have headphones on, listening to the music, being outdoors. They're all wearing masks. There's my wife and my son. So far in the bucket, we've got 1 Dungeness crab and 1 rock crab that my son pulled up. First one he pulled up on his own. So proud of him.